Hey there. In this next few minutes, I am going to be sending you a healing so that you are reset energetically and that any negative emotions are detoxified from your aura and from your energetic field, so that you are returned to a state of inspiration, of flow, of creativity, and most importantly, of joy. Just take a few moments to breathe in and hold it. And then as you exhale, start to feel any heavy negative energy released from your body. As human beings, we go through life, especially as empaths, taking on board thought forms, negative patterns, negative emotions. And yet, sometimes we don't take the time to fully process them and release them from our body, mind, and spirit complex. So, to activate the essence of this healing, let us now connect to the universe so that we can facilitate this powerful and radical and necessary transformation. Dear universe, thank you for bringing us to this point in time. May our hearts and our minds be open to magical transformation so that we are empowered to reset our vibration, detox our energy field, and remember that we have the beautiful gift to guide our energy and our emotions. And now I am sending you the healing energy of the most beautiful pink and purple light. This energy is infusing every cell within your body and clearing it of any unnecessary energy. Feel this energy permeating your cells, your bones, your skin, your physical body. We must remember that being a spiritual being having a physical experience requires conscious awareness and ongoing maintenance, especially if you are an empath, as I mentioned. The key is to rise above fear with self-compassion and non-judgment for whatever feelings that are rising to the surface. And now tune into how you're feeling right now. As you are receiving this healing to detoxify these emotions, it becomes perfectly natural for these emotions and these energies to rise to the surface before they move on. Tune into the energy of possibility, of how you will feel once these energies are out of your system. Tune in to the lightness. Tune in to the vibration and the truest essence of possibility once these emotions move through your body. An aspect that is incredibly important to hold in your awareness is that the negative emotions or any experiences that you feel have stuck themselves onto your aura are not to be afraid of. That these energies that are rising up to the surface to be released actually serve a very key purpose in the manifestation of all that appears in your life. Let them go with love. What if, as part of this healing, instead of rejecting the negative, instead of being afraid of the fear and the anxiety, what if we thanked it and we said, "You are no longer necessary. You no longer serve a role in my body, mind, and spirit complex. I release you with love." And as you feel this beautiful pink and purple, brilliantly violet light radiating through your entire being, release the stronghold on the fear. Release it. And as you release it, feel yourself from within rising above it. When you can hold your awareness above the fear, above the energies, whatever they are, the emotional, cumbersome energies that hang out in our energetic field, when you rise above them, you can embrace love. You can truly act from a space of service because you are witnessing the fullness. I am now sending you the awareness that you have the power to guide your energy and your emotions. Imagine for a moment that you are downloading an app, a healing app, into your heart space. And that app gives you all of the spiritual tools that you require to facilitate the awareness, so that whenever you feel as if you are frightened or agitated, or that you are taking on board any heaviness from perhaps other people's conversations, that you are protected. You are divinely protected because you have been through this healing and empowering sense of self-empowerment. And as you begin to feel that sense of refreshing vibrational reset, tune inward and remember what you are capable of when you fully embrace the holistic nature of your emotional superpowers. Just as you would clean out a refrigerator or declutter your purse or your handbag or your closet, so too your body, your mind, and your spirit requires that your energy field takes this time and this healing to truly allow it to transform your current state. This is the ideal space to manifest from a clean and clear energy. Can you feel the difference? And now let us take a moment to breathe in and hold it. And as you exhale, notice the difference between the exhale that you experienced at the beginning of this healing. Notice the difference now that this beautiful pink and purple light has moved through your energetic field to reset and detoxify your energetic body. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and as this healing now comes to a close, we give thanks to the universe, to the divine sublime center of love, of trust, and of truth, for allowing me to give you this gift of self-healing. So be it, and so it is.